Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make donut vape e-liquid. First, you'll need to gather your core ingredients: pharmaceutical-grade nicotine, propylene glycol, vegetable glycerin, and your chosen donut flavor concentrates. Safety is paramount, so always wear gloves and eye protection. Next, use a precise digital scale or syringes to accurately measure each component. Finally, combine everything in a clean mixing bottle, ensuring a thorough blend for the best results. This easy method helps you create your own custom vape juice. To begin, select high-quality, food-grade flavor concentrates that capture that perfect donut essence. Your base liquid will consist of propylene glycol, or PG, and vegetable glycerin, known as VG, which create the vapor. If desired, incorporate a nicotine solution, often found at 100 milligrams per milliliter strength. For accurate mixing, a digital scale with a precision of 0.01 grams is absolutely essential. You'll also want clean mixing bottles and syringes for handling liquids. Let's walk through the simple mixing steps. Start by adding your nicotine solution to the mixing bottle. Remember, this is optional. Next, carefully measure and introduce your donut flavor concentrates. After that, pour in the calculated amount of propylene glycol, or PG, which helps carry the flavor. Finally, top off your mixture with the remaining vegetable glycerin, or VG, which produces the dense vapor. Secure the cap and shake vigorously for about 1 minute to ensure everything is well combined. After mixing, the next crucial step is steeping. Place your e-liquid in a cool, dark place for a minimum of 3 days, though 1 to 2 weeks is often ideal for complex donut flavors. Give the bottle an occasional shake during this period to help the flavors meld. Once steeped, test your creation. You can always add a few more drops of flavoring if needed. Store your finished donut vape e-liquid in a cool, dry location away from direct sunlight to maintain its quality and delicious taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.